Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to wake up screen when notification comes in Google Pixel phone. Usually, when there is an incoming notification such as WhatsApp, email or others, the phone screen will be active. But sometimes the phone screen remains off even though there is an incoming notification. So how do you fix it? Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to the settings. And then scroll down. Tap Display and Touch. Tap Lock Screen. Scroll down again and there is an option to wake up the screen for notifications here. So, to wake up the screen when a notification comes in, just activate it here. That's the tutorial on how to wake up screen when notification comes in Google Pixel phone. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.